How to install the Falcon 200-watt solar system with a 30-amp MPPT dual output regulator. Begin by deciding where you are going to locate the panel on the roof and clear the area of any water or dirt. Remove the panel from the box and place the solar whereas you wish to position it on the roof. Use electrical tape to mark out the position of the panel. Take the panel away and apply the Sikaflex to the feet of the panel. Carefully place the panel back in position and gently apply pressure to feet to ensure the Sikaflex spreads evenly. Remove the tape you have used to mark out the position of the panel and scrape away any excess Sikaflex. Use alcohol to wipe down, leaving a clean finish. While you are waiting for the Sikaflex to set, you can start to run the cables. Decide where you are going to locate the solar regulator. Figure out your easiest access to the desired location and drill a 3mm pilot hole, followed by a 12mm hole in its place. Run the cable from the solar panel through the cable entry gland and then the hole you have just drilled. Once you have pulled the solar cable through, leaving enough to be tidally trunked away later, fill the rest of the hole with Sikaflex, waterproofing the van. Apply Sikaflex to the base of the cable entry gland and then gently apply pressure to seal against the roof of the van. Mount the regulator to the desired location using self-tappers. Connect the solar cables to the regulator. Run the cables from the regulator to the camping battery and engine battery. Connect the inline fuse holder to the cable, without the fuse attached. Connect the cable to the battery using the ring terminals. Once all connections are made, make sure the connections are secure and connected properly. Once you are satisfied with the wiring, add the fuse to the fuse holder to complete the circuit. Now the system is all working. All you have to do is make sure it looks pretty. Hide the solar cables on the roof using trunking. Use a P-clip to tie up any visible cables. Make sure to hoover down and wipe up any mess made during the installation. Life made easy by Falcon.